Replacement windows Sterling Heights is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our team of window experts in Sterling Heights MI specializes in providing top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom windows, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Energy-efficient windows in Sterling Heights are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our selection of insulated windows and vinyl windows. Sterling Heights MI ensures that your home remains warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our replacement windows Sterling Heights services, you can enjoy the benefits of modern window technology. Vinyl windows Sterling Heights MI offer durability and low maintenance, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners. Our window contractors Sterling Heights are skilled in installing a variety of window styles, including double-hung windows and casement windows. These residential windows Sterling Heights are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while providing superior functionality. For those seeking window replacement services in Sterling Heights, our team provides comprehensive solutions. From window glass replacement Sterling Heights MI to window frame replacement Sterling Heights, we handle all aspects of window maintenance. Sterling Heights MI. Our affordable windows Sterling Heights options ensure that you receive quality service without breaking the bank. Custom windows Sterling Heights MI are perfect for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their property. Our window design. Sterling Heights services allow you to choose from a wide range of window styles. Sterling Heights, including bay windows and sliding windows. Sterling Heights MI. With our window consultation Sterling Heights MI, you can explore various design options to find the perfect fit for your home. Window replacement. Sterling Heights is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our home window services Sterling Heights MI include everything from minor repairs to complete window replacement. Sterling Heights MI. Trust our window experts Sterling Heights MI to provide reliable and efficient service. Bay windows Sterling Heights MI and casement windows Sterling Heights add character and charm to any home. Our window contractors Sterling Heights are experienced in installing these beautiful window styles, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. With our window estimates Sterling Heights MI, you can plan your window installation project with confidence. Sliding replacement windows Sterling Heights MI offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. Our window solutions Sterling Heights MI include a variety of sliding window options that provide easy operation and excellent ventilation. Choose our Sterling Heights window installation services for a hassle-free experience. Window consultation Sterling Heights MI is the first step in achieving your dream home. Our team of window experts Sterling Heights MI will guide you through the process, from selecting the right window styles to ensuring proper installation. With our window estimates Sterling Heights MI, you can make informed decisions about your window upgrade Sterling Heights MI.